My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Esperanto Dictionary. This particular extension currently is promoted for the Google Chrome browser. The point is that there is nothing wrong with extensions that are decent, but when we deal with extensions like Esperanto Dictionary, they are promoted through fake browser update alerts. Currently, there are a lot of fake alerts circulating in the internet, and they are presented as some required Chrome updates. If people mistakenly download and install these extensions, a lot of crucial browser settings may be changed without the customer's permission. So be very careful. In case this Esperanto dictionary was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you need to get rid of it immediately. And this is how you can get rid of unwanted browser extensions in the manual way. Access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, click on Extensions. Now, if you find this Esperanto dictionary extension, you should deactivate it and you may remove the extension completely. I also strongly advise that you perform additional research and investigation of your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download it using this green button, install the program and start researching your system with its help in order to identify and delete other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.